In this lesson, I will show you how you get all the network configuration information through the command prompt. So again, I will open the command prompt. To get all the network configuration information through command prompt, we use the command ipconfig. So I press enter. As you see, here we have the wireless LAN adapter information. Media state, as you see, media disconnected, and then the Ethernet adapter information, it's also made disconnected, and so on, the Bluetooth adapter, and so on. And if you want to get the complete information about the network configuration, use the same command ipconfig, then /all. You see, we have used the command here, and this command gives us all the network information. And you see the host name is the host name, and then the wireless LAN adapter description, it's a company that made this wireless adapter, and then the physical address, the MAC address, and then here the Ethernet adapter information description. You see company that made this adapter, the MAC address or the physical address, and then the Bluetooth adapter, and on and on. And if you want to get only the MAC addresses, that stands for media access control addresses, or the physical addresses of the adapters, we use the command getmac. When you press enter, and now you see here the physical address or the MAC address for the wireless adapter and the Ethernet adapter and the Bluetooth adapter. So these are the ways to get the network configuration information and to get the MAC address to the command prompt.